Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We're talking about Orchid token, legit or scam. Before buy this token, do your own research and let's get started. So friends, if you're talking about this token, this is the website as you can see here, orchid.com. If I go to the website, I see this is a decentralized marketplace, AI-based storage. So this is the pin that works. You have account storage VPN staking. You can staking this token. Just click manage your account, and then you can link this account or you can open account from this platform and start earning and use this protocol. This is the protocol of this token. You have app also. You can just connect your wallet from here and download this app. Looks like a VPN secure app. The token price $0.018. This is listed on Coinbase Exchange, KuCoins, and HTX, and Kraken. So the Etherscan, if I go to Etherscan, just wait. I see the holders, 46,000 holders, and then just I see holders as you can see here. If I go to the volume, I see a lot of transfer here. This is good inside. So the bullish is 88%, bearish is 12%. I see some active member on this community. This is also good indicator. This is the holders, friends, top 10 holders, as you can see here. Just wait. If I go to the top 10 holders, just wait here. I see KuCoin $0.50. The holders